What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be installing a new short shifter on my Mitsubishi Lancer. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. What we really want from this short shifter is obviously short shifts. So the box is right there, guys, but before I actually show you this new short shifter, I'm going to show you guys the difference between this one and the old one. So I'm going to get this angle from the top, and let's see. See, there's a lot of play too. Do it again, faster, and reverse. Forgot to show you guys reverse. Alright, so now that we've done that, let's just see the difference from this angle. Alright guys, so now that I showed you guys how the original shifter is, we're going to get it into the unboxing of the new one. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And then as soon as we're done with the unboxing, we're going to be going into the install. So the install isn't really that hard, but there's like a lot of just a lot of panels in the car that you have to remove. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's do this install outside because it's really hot in my car and I don't want to turn it on. So yeah, this is the box. It's from Torque Solutions. And it's a Torque Solutions short shifter for Mitsubishi Lancer, and I think it's from 08 and up. So let's do this. Let's open it. And as you can see, got the Torque Solutions shifter and the actual shifter. So this thing is actually really nice quality, guys. And we got this little bag full of some goodies, and it's gonna help us. We'll get into what's in this bag later on, but yeah, because I really don't know what's in it actually. And yeah, so that's it, guys. That's all you really need. And now we just gotta remove some panels and get started. Alright guys, so we switched to the GoPro view. I feel like it's gonna be better for this video. So yeah, so let's just get straight into it. So we're gonna be removing off. We're gonna be taking off this whole center console. So this stuff, we're just gonna be removing it all. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is just taking off these bolts that are in here. So there's two in there. Don't mind the mess. I spilled something in there earlier, and it got all sticky. But yeah, just remove those two bolts, and then we're gonna just start popping some clips out, and should be it. There's a zip tie here, you can see, so I'm just going to be removing that zip tie. that could stay there. So we just removed that clip, and that was pretty much it. This car is pretty easy to work on. I say that now, and now like it's gonna get even harder. So I think the first thing we gotta do is, there's a clip right here. So we basically have to take this, like, see this clip, we basically just go like this to one side, and then the same thing to the other. Alright guys, so I was able to pop it out. I couldn't show you guys on video just because, you know, it wasn't a one-handed thing I can do. So I just turned the camera off, and I did it with both hands. Next thing we gotta do is pop these things on the side out. So these black stuff have replacements on them, so we could take them off, and then I'm just gonna try taking them off, and then we'll get to work. So I'm probably gonna move to that side of the car. We'll see. Yeah, that's pretty much the hardest part of all this, guys. But yeah, now we can just tap these out, and we gotta remember to make sure this spring is going in the correct way, and then we can take this off and lube up the new one and put it on. So yeah guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so now we could take this off, but this is blocking it from being removed. So what we're going to be doing is just taking this off, and here's the spring. It has a lot of grease on it, guys, so just remember it went like this. So we're just gonna do that, leave that there, pull this out, and then we got to replace this little thing. Alright guys, so this is the new one on the left. As you can see, it has this bend in it, and it's way shorter than this one. See, and yeah, now that we finally got this off, this was a pain to get off. You just gotta really like pull on it as hard as you can, get somebody to help you. So what we're gonna be doing now is just replacing it, putting in this one, and then start putting everything back together. So let's get started. We're just gonna be putting some grease on it, and then installing everything back together. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so an easy way to put these back on, as you can see, we got the little one. So what we're going to be using is a 8mm socket and then a 14mm socket, and we're just going to be using that to hammer these in. So let's get started. So the last thing we have to do is put this back in. So let's just slide her in, if she will let us, if she shall allow us. So I'm just, okay, I can't do this with one hand, guys, like last time. So I'm gonna put this in and let you guys know how it goes. Got it in, and damn, these shifts are so nice, bro. Oh man, look at that. I can't wait to drive this, dudes. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of the video just because it's just the same thing as the beginning. Just instead of uninstalling everything, I'm gonna be installing it. And you know, let's just get to it. Yeah, let's just do this quick. And look at that. Oof, way better, guys. I'm gonna finish this video in the morning because I know it's dark now, and I want to make sure this video is high quality for you guys. And yeah, so I'm just gonna cut this video to the morning, and I'll show you guys then. All right, guys, so it's the next day, and let's see how this thing turned out. So already I can tell just by shaking it in neutral that it feels a lot I would say stiffer and a lot more like sporty. So I really like that about it. And then actually going into like first and second, as you can see, it's a lot shorter, and third and fourth, and then fifth. I'll do the next view, but like right now I just want to talk about it. So it feels really good. Like I said, it feels sporty, and that's something I didn't really get in this car because obviously this isn't a sports car, it's just like a sedan. But you know, actually getting it, you know, guys, like actually like this makes it feel a lot more new, the car. But yeah, guys, this is like a driver mod, so basically it makes driving the car feel a lot better. And obviously when you're driving, you're shifting a lot, so you know, it's just really nice to actually be able to drive this and like feel it in every gear, like the difference that it makes, and it just feels really good. So I want to make a review video later on about this because I actually want to test it out, see what I like about it, see what I don't like about it, and then let you guys know if it's actually worth it to get a short shifter or not. So right now I can obviously tell a difference, but once I get used to it, I want to see if actually it makes a big difference in the long run, because like just because the gears are a little shorter doesn't mean like it's like that big of a difference. Whether this short shifter is good, or maybe there's another one that could be even shorter and make it feel even better. I want to let you guys know if this one is the one that you guys need. Obviously I'm going to make that video after maybe a couple weeks of actually feeling it out and seeing what I like about it and seeing what I don't like. So that's going to be a video coming up soon, so make sure that you're following me so that you can get notified when I have that video out. So I'm going to show you guys the difference in like the throw, the gears, like how far it is. So let's get started. Do it again, faster, and reverse. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope that the install was very easy to follow. And if you guys have any questions, you know already, just leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget that the link to this short shifter is in the description if you guys want it. And you know, maybe we're gonna be doing a little giveaway on it. We'll see. But yeah guys, so don't forget to subscribe to me so you can watch the next video, and that's gonna be of an actual review on this. And then that's the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.